Is your home feeling a little boring lately? Don't worry, because us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you guys some home design DIYs. Let's head into it. Number 1, copper hooks. Oh my goodness, this one is so crazy. For this one, you're going to need some screws, a 2x4 with the color of your choosing, a wooden dowel, and these copper hooks that you can find at any hardware store. You're first going to get the copper hooks as well as the wooden dowel and place the wooden dowel inside and mark it off. Then, cut the wooden dowel into those sizes. Now, place the wooden dowels onto your 2x4 and drill them in with the screws. Then, get the copper hooks and hot glue them onto the wooden dowels. Once you're done, you can hang it up wherever you'd like and it'll look absolutely amazing. Number 2, revamping your dresser. If your dresser is looking a little boring, we have a way that you can make it so much better. First, take the drawers out as well as taking off the handles or knobs. Then, getting the design of your choosing on some craft sticker paper, cut to size and place it on the face of the drawer. Once you're done that, paint the dresser any color of your choosing. For example, we used a black and white design, so we're going to color the knobs as well as the dresser that design. Use furniture paint for this. Finally, put your drawers back in and it'll look absolutely amazing. Number 3, fur covered stool. First, get the foam and glue it to the piece of wood. Then, using the stands, drill them into the wood at the bottom. Finally, get your fur that you've chosen and wrap it around the stool and use a stapler to staple it to the bottom. That way, you'll have an amazing stool in no time. Look how chic that looks. Number 4, revamped pillow. For this one, you're going to need a t-shirt that you no longer wear and your favorite pillow that you want to revamp. First, place the t-shirt under the pillow and cut off the top of it. Then, trace the pillow onto the t-shirt that you have left and remove the pillow. Then, using scissors, cut small strips about ½ an inch long through both sides of the t-shirt. Then, place the t-shirt over top and below the pillow and start tying the pieces together. Once you're done, you'll have your favorite pillow revamped and ready to go. Number 5, a great home design feature to hide your Wi-Fi router. First, place the router inside your binder and mark off where it finishes. Then, using an X-Acto knife, cut off of those pieces. Then, getting the fabric that you chose, hot glue around the edge of the inside of the binder and fold the fabric over. Do this on the spine of the binder as well as on the other side, and finally finish it off on the top and bottom. Then, using the pieces that you cut off from the binder, hot glue them onto the edge of it and you'll have a perfect place to hide your router. Number 6, cute bathroom holders. For this one, get a Pringles can and mark off a semicircle around this size on the bottom and cut it out. Then get your favorite paper and glue it on the entire Pringles can. That way, when you put it in your bathroom, you'll be able to store anything you'd like. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications. Watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!